Hello, parents and caregivers. Welcome back to Kids Zone, our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of infant nutrition with a comprehensive review of Neocate Syneo Infant, the hypoallergenic, amino acid-based baby formula trusted by families worldwide. Neocate Syneo Infant is specifically formulated for infants with severe food allergies or intolerances, providing a safe and nourishing alternative to traditional cow's milk-based formulas. Let's explore what sets Neocate Syneo Infant apart and how it can benefit your little one. First and foremost, Neocate Syneo Infant is hypoallergenic, meaning it's specially designed to minimize the risk of allergic reactions in sensitive infants. This makes it an ideal choice for babies with conditions like cow's milk allergy, soy allergy, or multiple food protein intolerance. What makes Neocate Syneo Infant unique is its amino acid-based formula, which provides essential nutrients in a highly digestible form. This is crucial for infants who may struggle to tolerate intact proteins found in traditional formulas. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what one satisfied parent had to say about their experience with Neocate Syneo Infant. Our baby had severe allergies and reflux issues, and we struggled to find a formula that worked for him. Since switching to Neocate Syneo Infant, he's been thriving. We are so grateful for this life-saving product. In addition to being hypoallergenic and amino acid-based, Neocate Syneo Infant also contains prebiotics and probiotics to support healthy gut development and immune function in growing infants. Preparing Neocate Syneo Infant is quick and easy. Simply follow the instructions provided on the packaging, and always use sterile equipment to minimize the risk of contamination. In conclusion, Neocate Syneo Infant is a game changer for families dealing with infant food allergies or intolerances. Its hypoallergenic, amino acid-based formula provides essential nutrition while minimizing the risk of allergic reactions. If your little one has special dietary needs, consider giving Neocate Syneo Infant a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and reviews. Until next time, happy parenting.